If you're struggling to make new habits stick, or you can't seem to implement new routines, here's why. Consciously, it's not your fault. It's how your brain works. And unfortunately, your brain is working against you to keep you stuck in habits and routines that it's used to. This is because of a little thing called cognitive dissonance. When you're trying to do something that is different to what your brain is used to, it gets uncomfortable. It perceives the discomfort as a threat and it tries to shut it down. Check out this visual to help you understand how change actually works and why it is that you are getting stuck. Change starts with an idea about what you want. You start thinking about what you want and you feel like you need to change. But here's where it gets tricky. Most people, they get stuck at that feeling stage. They want to change something. They know that they will benefit from that change, but they can't seem to make the leap. And FYI, this isn't a character flaw. It's that cognitive dissonance that makes your brain stubbornly stick to what it already knows best. But then there's the people who make a plan. They try to execute it. They try to form those new habits. How often have you done this? You've tried to change your thought patterns, started planning, got yourself set on a new morning routine, started exercising, or tried to develop new eating habits, but then you find yourself slipping back into old ways. You want to make that change so badly. You know you need to, but yep, you guessed it. That stubborn brain says, excuse me, this is hard. And so you translate that as, I guess I just can't do it. I'm not good enough. And then you're right back in the feeling stage again, stuck. But what happens when you make a commitment? You vow to push past that resistance and discomfort. You keep going despite how hard it is, despite your brain urging you to stop, despite it not working in the beginning, knowing that if you keep going, there'll be a tiny shift, then a bigger one. And then suddenly, you've cultivated a lifestyle through committing wholeheartedly to that new habit. And boom, change occurs. That's what it takes. It's pretty amazing, hey? Or maybe it just fascinates me so much because I've lived a life of many different struggles for so long, pushing and trying and failing and trying again, and sometimes making those changes and other times not. But now I understand how it all works. Now I've created systems, mindset shifts, and powerful tools within me to make change easier and more likely to occur simply through knowing these things, simply through knowing how it works. Because change doesn't happen magically. It takes a lot of hard work and conscious awareness of what's going on inside your brain and your body that's trying to stop you from changing. Knowing this, it's so helpful because it allows you to have compassion and confidence that even when things don't seem to be sticking and working, you just keep going anyway because you know with consistency and time, that shift will happen. And you know what? There's actually research that shows most people give up on a new habit, a goal, a routine, etc. at the 19-day mark. And that's crazy considering solidifying new habits can actually take up to 256 days with the magic average being around 90 days, so 3 months. And that's why a lot of my work, my courses, programs, my 90 Days to Success series, books, they're all focused on cultivating change over that time frame. So look, if you're trying to implement a new habit of some kind and you're struggling, you're not seeing results, you're finding yourself slipping back into old ways, please keep this in mind. Save this video, come back to it, remind yourself that change is possible when you understand how it really works. And of course, if you did find this helpful, please like and subscribe, share it with someone that you know that it will help, and reach out if you'd like some support, okay? Look, I have so much available that can help you. I've got a great free course that helps you learn an amazing planning system that will fast track your goals and help you take control of your time and your energy. I've got the 90 Days to Success series books. The mindset book will help you rewire your entire way of thinking in, 90 days. I offer an amazing 3-month program with personalized support to help you thrive and flow in work and family life and really solidify those routines and those systems and how to do it. And so much more free and affordable resources that could help you. Okay, I'm here for you. I've been there and I get it, and I believe in you. I believe you can do it. I believe you can make change possible in your life. Okay, peace, love, warm fuzzies and all that, but most of all, take care of you because you deserve it.